and just checking to make sure it's right now before the car comes in.
That's probably a good idea. Make sure they are the right ones. Stay tuned, we've got a really cool project coming. It's not an S2000, it's a front wheel drive car. We're using something from these guys.
How about this? It's something that everyone's asking for, but a different car.
Stay tuned, you're gonna love this build. This is very near and dear to me because the car we are doing is a car I own. That narrows it down.
Not too near. It's someone else's car.
But it's close.
It's close. It's exactly what you guys are asking for, though.
All right, so I'm doing packing and shipping again. While Esther is away, I am really trying to show off with her. I'm messaging people back. The people are asking for master cylinder braces. I'm shipping them out right now. I'm sending out requests. I'm trying to keep stuff moving. And just, remember these guys right here? This was made by our good friend Jeff. These are 3D printed. These are amazing, by the way. If you haven't seen it, someone's gonna look at this and go, oh yeah, I know how you do that. I don't know how you do that. But these are fantastic. This is the exact wheel that comes in a Kraftwerk supercharger. He took one apart, 3D printed it, reverse engineered it. Got a really cool little fidget spinner in there. Put this together, it fits on there. And it's cool, it sits on your desk and it looks cool. Well, guess what? Randomly, someone's gonna get this. We have a couple of these. So rather, I don't wanna sell it because he didn't sell it to us. He did it out of the goodness of his heart. He said, there you go, I'm gonna give you it. One of you guys that orders a master cylinder brace is gonna get this. Is that not like a cool thing? I mean, I would be excited if I was. We just got some fuel pumps in the other day and Deechworks put some stickers and air fresheners in the box. It's funny how sometimes that little stuff gets you excited. You get it and you go, that's really cool. I didn't expect that. It was free, and it's kind of like a, hey, thanks for ordering stuff from us. So look out for this. If your box comes in and it's bigger than this, these are the boxes we buy from Uline that these master cylinder braces fit in. Well, if your box comes bigger than that, you might just have one of these. All right, so after all this is over, I am gonna hire someone to do shipping and online sales. I'm doing this stuff over here at Esther's desk, and I'm kind of learning as I go. I haven't done this for a long time. I used to sell parts back in the day, and I don't have a lot of passion doing it, which doesn't mean I shouldn't do it. It is a job opportunity for somebody. So just keep this in the back of your mind long term. If this is something you think you could help us out with, if you're local, I don't want anybody to reposition themselves to work here because I wouldn't want to do that to anybody. But trying to sell parts, I mean, there's got to be a better system. I'm doing this like, I'm probably going the longest way around to do this, but basically, of course we need a website set up. We have a website through Wix. It just needs to be put together and finished. The first three people build out on our website. So we have 3 partially done websites. I've already subscribed to Wix. I think I paid their 5-year program for all their stuff. And we're a year in, we haven't even used it. We're still on the old system. Anyway, long story, I send out a PayPal request here, and then I click on their name right here. Come on, computer. The computer's doing a bunch of things at once. I'm actually uploading from Esther's computer. I get the address over here, I copy and paste it in here on the UPS software, put their email address in, press send, then I go back to PayPal over here, add tracking number, put the tracking number in there as well, just to make sure that people know they're getting their stuff. And I suck at it. I mean, I'm trying my best. I want to make sure everybody gets stuff. I've got 5 packages going out today. I'm just waiting for another label to put on here, but the surprise gift is going to go out today, and I'm kind of excited. I'm excited to give it, and I'm excited for someone to open it and go, what the heck is this? This isn't a master cylinder brace. You're getting your master cylinder brace as well, but you're getting a free gift. There's also a couple of little things in there for everybody else. I want people to feel like you're getting a little bit more. That's always been my thing. So again, comment below and let everybody know what you got. I mean, it's kind of like, it's just sharing. We've got to stay positive at this point. I'm positive. I still love my job. I need to find a way to make some of my job easier. Someone to take over this. I think we could generate a ton of sales, and again, open up a position for somebody that can be a part of the LHT family. This is family. George's like family. He walked in, we're gonna tell the story, but real quick, George walked in here one time. I was all alone. I was busy as can be. I was up this far in work. He came walking in and said, hey, I follow you guys. I've liked the supercharged stuff. I've been following you guys for years. Can I get a job? Long story, it started the next day. Here he is several years later. He's part of the family. So just keep that in mind. And I am uploading a video as we speak on Esther's computer right here. This one is going up. My computer still won't upload. You see how technical savvy we are? This sucks. So I'm editing on that computer, transferring it with a memory stick over on this computer, uploading it from her computer. It's very, very complicated. It's like a really, really complicated system just to upload videos. You think I'm running like the space station with the amount of computer power I've got here, and I'm using like this much of the technology that is available to me. It's crazy. All right, so exciting news, super excited for me anyway. So the car I have been talking about teasing, it's been one of those things that's kind of been on the back burner for a while. It's a car I was looking at already, and I didn't think the car was still available. Well, it is still available. I made an offer, they took the offer, and it's happening. The car is getting shipped as we speak. So the next video you see is going to be me looking all excited with a truck backing up. Very familiar sight. And you're going to see the car, you're going to see it. One thing I can tell you about it, it's orange. A seller sent me a video, it's getting loaded on a truck, and I think he's as excited making the video to send me as I am to get it, so keep an eye out for this. I'm excited, it's going to be good times. I'll see another video. So that's it, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, hit the subscribe button, and stay positive and enjoy your cars.